Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Raihan Fali Akmalul Islam. My number student is 38. Before I start my uh, presentation about my working assignment, I'm sorry because I'm record this video with the screen of my handphone because I have tried record with the laptop, but after I upload the video in Google Drive, the presentation was not recorded in Google Meet with the laptop. So I use the screen of HP to record my video. Maybe I will start. There is example 22.1 application of energy balance to closed system. Alkaloids are chemical compounds containing nitrogen that can be produced by plant cells. In an experiment, a closed vessel with volume 1.673 meter cubic in volume was filled with a dilute water solution containing two alkaloids which are asmalacine and serpentine. The temperature of the solution was 10 degrees Celsius. To obtain an essentially dry residue of alkaloids, all of the water in the vessel 1 kilogram was vaporized. Assume that the properties of water can be used as a substitute for the properties of the solution. How much heat has to be transferred to the vessel if 1 kilogram of saturated liquid water initially at 10 degrees Celsius is completely vaporized to the final condition of 100 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. See figure A 22.1. There is the system. In the system or vessel, there is water in the liquid phase 1 kilogram at the initial stage with the temperature 10 degrees Celsius, and we must search key. Key is heat to be transferred to the vessel if 1 kilogram of saturated liquid water it will be vaporized to the vapor phase at the final condition must be 100 degrees Celsius and the pressure is same 1 atm. So directly starts the explanation. This is my way to find key or heat must be transferred into system. I assume I think the pressure is same 1 atm and water in the vessel is 1 kilogram. The initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, and from this data I classification into two group. First is initial stage and second is final stage. Initial stage is the water in liquid phase, and final stage water has become to vapor phase. So we cannot classification into one group but must be two group because the phase is different and the condition is different, like temperature and delta U. Delta U in liquid phase is different with delta U in vapor phase. So in this table, temperature is same, temperature is different, and why I found the value of delta U because I searched in the table of saturated steam in the thermodynamic module by Smith and Amnes, and why I find delta U in initial stage. So first we must find from the left we search temperature or Celsius. In this table the temperature was not written, but I think it's only typo because after this table in the bottom in this table the temperature of Celsius was written. So we find the temperature of C. This is 10 degrees Celsius. We drag to right until we find internal energy U. Nah, we can see, and internal energy divided by 3, liquid, evapor, and saturation vapor. The phase is different and the value of internal energy is different too, so we must classification with correct, and we drag to right from 10 degrees Celsius until saturation liquid internal energy. We find 41.99. But in the module the value of delta U at liquid phase and with temperature 10 degrees Celsius is not 41.9 but is 35 kilojoule per kilogram. I think the correct answer is maybe 41.99, but I have submit with 35 kilojoule per kilogram. I think my answer is incorrect because delta U is different with the table, but the module it was said that delta U is 35. So I follow the value of delta U in the module, not in the table. But the delta U in the final state is correct because the value almost same, maybe it's same, but I have the typo here. The value of delta U final state is 2506.6, but I have the typo. I had write 2506.0 kilojoule per kilogram. So I have the typo. I'm sorry because I had the typo. And To find the value of delta O at the final state is same. We find from left the 100 degrees Celsius, drag right, we find saturation vapor, and the value is like this, 200 2506.5. So I have the typo. I'm sorry, I have the typo, and the formula of closed and unsteady state is delta E is equals to delta U plus delta Ka plus delta Pa is equals to Q plus W. Before we calculation the value of Q, W, delta U, and other properties of energy, we must find understanding about this formula, because this is only basic formula. It can be changed depend the value of properties which known in this exercise. Why delta Ka and delta Pa in this calculation I was written 0 because the value of delta Ka and delta Pa are very small, negligible 0. So I'm calculate, but I'm writing 0 because the value is very small. So the formula change to Q plus 0 is equals to delta U plus 0 plus 0. So the formula become Q is equals to delta U. And delta U here is describe the change of internal energy from the initial states until final states. And delta U we calculate with delta U which known in this exercise. U2 is delta U at the final states, vapor states, and minus U1 is delta U at the initial states, water at liquid phase. So delta U in this system is not one delta U from one phase, but is describe the change of delta U from initial states until final states, and from the initial phase to the final phase. So delta U in here describe overall process in the system, overall change the internal energy in the system. So U2 mean U1. We can calculation 1 kilogram 2506 minus 35 kilojoule per kilogram, and we find the final value of Q or heat must be transferred to system is 2471 kilojoule. But if we use the internal energy at the initial state might be 41.9, if I calculation it will be has the different value of Q. The value of Q is smaller than this Q with 35 internal energy. Maybe it's enough from me. I'm sorry because I'm recording.